National Cadet Corps (NCC) is the Indian Military Cadet Corps with its headquarters at New Delhi. It is a voluntary organization which recruits cadets from high schools, colleges, universities all over the India. History of NCC. The National Cadet Corps is a tri-services organization comprising the Army, Navy and Air Force. We will be learning about 1917's University Corps formation according to Indian Defence Act, 1920 University Training Corps formation according to Indian Territorial Act, 1942 University Officers Training Corps by British government, and finally 15th July 1948 the National Cadet Corps, 31st Act of Parliament. Do you know NCC is first known as University Corps in 1917. 1917 UC University Corps was founded in the year 1917, which was created under the Indian Defence Act 1917. The main objective of University Corps is to make up the shortage of the army. (1920) UTC. When the Indian Territorial Act was passed, University Corps was replaced by the University Training Corps to make more attractive to the youth. Do you know? The UTC officers and cadets dressed like army. 1942 UOTC. After some rearrangements, UTC was rechristened as University Officers Training Corps, which was founded by Britishers in the year 1942. 1948 NCC. During World War II, the UOTC never came up to all the expectations set up by the British. A committee headed by Pandit H.N. Khunzru recommended a cadet organization to be established in schools and colleges at a national level. The National Cadet Corps Act was accepted by the Governor General, and on 15th July 1948, National Cadet Corps came into existence. Role of NCC after independence. During the 1965-71 wars with Pakistan, NCC cadets were the second line of defense. They organized camps to assist the ordnance factories, supply arms and ammunition to the front. Also used as patrol parties, rescue work and traffic control. After the Indo-Pak War, the military training which the NCC cadets received was reduced and given more great importance to areas like social service and youth management. Thank you. NCC organization, upcoming topic. For more videos like this, do like, share among your NCC friends and subscribe. subscribe Goals Virus channel with the bell icon.